baby. Cena një lately, shkundu mu që pom edhe dhe i treti. Sanet po ndrujnë të mu nuk koni njeti. Thoj është jam ma jo bashkë keti. Leti shoqit që t'thujnë s'jap letis shpejtit. Harusit bojnë frerë për veti. Mas leti i shkon mi dhonë fun ma. Para se me pas diçka ma shumë na.
Thanks for 2000 subs, boys.
Huh? I like this. This is cute. Man, it's getting hot in here. I hope you don't mind. Unbutton a couple buttons here. I hope you don't mind that.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Look at the curves.
Hello there.
All jokes aside, this car has 375 kilowatts, and if I do my math correctly, that's about 500 horsepower, and I think that's just enough for your mom to drive it, right? Yeah, probably.
I am the one, the way your son don't need. For better or for worse, whatever your reason for needing a kick-proof TV is, this thing is kick-proof AF. Unreal.
What's this, you fucking piece of shit?
It is what it is. You gotta love that crap weight on M series BMW. My god, it looks sexy.
I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
I saw this car and I thought, hey, this car looks funny. Let me take a clip of it. Maybe you guys will enjoy it.